Hi singers, welcome to your new daily workout that you can use before heading into auditions, during show runs, and any planned performances. We're going to start with the combo breath workout using a different sequence and pattern where we'll use the SHH, sh, through our lips and the SSS through our teeth, s, and it sounds like this. Sh. We're going to do 2 rounds of 10, and you'll need to make sure that your S's stay separated like this. You want to make sure they don't run together like this. You can do this breath exercise sitting down or standing, making sure you have good posture with your torso nice and straight, shoulders down and back, butt relaxed, with your hands on your upper rib cage. So again, listen to the pattern so that you can get it down, and when we go into the exercise, you'll feel more comfortable with it. So again, it sounds like this. Shh. Go ahead and rewind the audio if you need to get used to the pattern. Otherwise, let's head into our first round of 10. Here we go. Shh. Great work. Heading into our second round. Take a deep breath in, out through your mouth. Here we go. Shh. Now we'll do lip roll warm-ups for 20 seconds on a glissando, meaning we'll glide from low to high and then high to low in pitch like this. If you're still working on perfecting your lip rolls, you can skip this portion and fast forward to the humming warm-up. A side note that you don't have to do the exact range as I am. Just go as high as you comfortably can, or go even higher if you can for my sopranos. So let's begin with the lip roll warm-up for 20 seconds. Now let's do the same with the 20 seconds on the glissando glide from low to high and high to low with the humming. Make sure that it's not in the throat like this. But keep the connection in the lips traveling up by your cheeks and then into the forehead like this. Make it nice and relaxed, and let's begin. Awesome work. Let's head right into the vowel opener warm-up using the vowels E, A, O, U, and yum yum at the end. Here is what the scale sounds like that we'll use with the vowel sequence. And here's what it sounds like as a demo, applying the vowel sequence with the scale. E-A-O, yum, yum, yum. E-A-O, yum, yum, yum. If you need to rewind the demo to get used to the sequence, please do so you'll feel comfortable going ahead into the workout. So now let's go into the workout. Sing with me on the first 2, and then you can take it from there. Only go as high as you comfortably can. Never strain or push it. E-A-O, yum, yum, yum. E-A-O, yum, yum, yum. The next thing we're going to do is sing the statement, all is good and well, using this scale. And here's the demo with the statement together with the scale. All is good and well. All is good and well. I want you to focus on your sound traveling up towards your cheeks and eyes to feel the opening and expansion on your support and range. Sing with me on the first two, and then you take it from there. All is good and well. All is good and well. Awesome, singers. Now let's do the warm down on a hum or a high sigh for 20 seconds. So the high sigh is ah, and of course the hum. So you go ahead and take it from here for your 20 seconds on your warm down. Great job on your vocal warm-up. I wish you the best on your audition, show run, and/or performance. And please remember to use this each time to keep your voice prepared and ready.